Tired of manually transferring bits and pieces of data into one spot in Excel? Let's learn how to effortlessly combine information from different cells, no matter where they are. First, head to the first cell you want to copy in this example. Let's say our data is in cells A1, C3, and E5. Click on the first cell, A1 now. Press the copy command, which you can find on the Home tab in the ribbon, or by simply pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, we need to select the second cell, C3, but instead of just clicking, we're going to hold down our Ctrl key, or CMD key on a Mac, and then click on cell C3. This is the magic button that allows us to select multiple, non-adjacent cells. Continue holding down the Ctrl or CMD key, and now click on our third desired cell, E5. You should now see all three cells, A1, C3, and E5, highlighted, indicating they are all selected for copying. Now, decide where you want this combined data to go. Click on your chosen destination cell for this tutorial. Let's imagine we want all this data in cell G1. With your destination cell selected, it's time to paste. Go back to the Home tab and click the Paste button. Or use the shortcut Ctrl+C or CMDV on Mac. You'll notice that by default, Excel will paste the selected cells sequentially, one after the other, into your destination. And there you have it. Data from multiple, non-adjacent cells is now neatly consolidated into a single cell. This technique is a game changer for data organization and reporting, saving you precious time and effort.